Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to save WhatsApp DP. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your WhatsApp, and once you tap it open you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the three dots icon on the top right hand side of the corner. So once you do this, you will have this kind of interface. So simply tap on your profile, and once you tap on your profile as well, you can simply find this interface. So simply tap on your profile picture, and then you can find a three triangle like icon. So simply tap on it and then scroll down and tap on more. After doing this, you can find options like save or save image in gallery. Simply choose any of it, and once you have done this as well, your photo will now be saved. So in this way, you can simply save your DP of WhatsApp into your gallery. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.